Problem 3. Bridget bakes 48 loaves of bread for her bakery. She sells half of them in the morning for $2.50 each. In the afternoon, she sells 2/3 of what she has left. And because they're not fresh, she charges only half price. In the late afternoon, she sells the remaining loaves at $1 each. Each loaf costs 75 cents for her to make. In dollars, what is her profit? Well, profit is basically equal to the total revenue. Revenue is, the amount you earn subtracted by the cost, and that is equal to the revenue, and that is equal to profit. So with this formula, we just basically, solve it. So in the morning, she sells half of them. She sells half of them in the morning for $2.50 each. So 48 divided by 2 is 24 for the morning. And each one costs what? Each one costs $2.50. So that means if for 24 loaves, right? And then for every one loaf, how much does it cost? It costs her $2.50 to sell. So that means the units of loaves and loaves gets canceled, and all we're left with are the units of dollars. So that would correspond to the number of dollars she earns from selling 24 loaves in the morning, which is 24 times 2.5. Leave it here for now. So that means 48 minus 24 is 24 left for the evening, or in the evening afternoon. Now let's consider the afternoon. In the afternoon, she sells 2/3 of what she has left. She has 24 left. So in the afternoon, she sells to this, which is equal to 16. So she sells 16 in the afternoon, which means that 24 minus 16 would leave us 8 in the evening. But let's just put that on the side for now. We sell 16 in the afternoon, but they're not fresh. So she only charges half price. So for every 16 pieces of bread, right, she charges for every one bread loaf. Half price of $2.50 is $1.25. So that means the units of bread and bread gets canceled, and all we're left with are the units of dollars, corresponding to the number of dollars she earns from selling 16 loaves, which is 16 times 1.25. Leave that to the side. Now for the evening, she sells 8 of them in the evening, or in the late afternoon rather. She sells the remaining loaves at $1 each. So that means that she sells $8 for her revenue in the evening. So her total revenue, right, is going to be equal to 8 plus 16, right, plus 16 times 1.25, right, plus 24 times 2.5. But then it tells us each loaf costs 75 cents to make, but she sold a total of 48 loaves. So subtracted by the cost, which is 48 times 0.75, and you solve the question. Now it's a matter of arithmetic. What is 1.25 times 16? Well, just solve it out, right? 128. No. That's 5. Oh my god. My arithmetic is so garbage. Yeah, so 125, so 0.002, and then we do 2 here, so that's 20. So that's the same thing as 8 plus 20 plus, what is this? Well, what is 24 times 2.5? That is going to be 600, so that's 60. So plus 60 minus this. Well, that's just 3 over 4, right? So 3 over 4 and this gets canceled to 12, so that becomes minus 36. So that means, what is that? That is the same thing as 24, and that is the same thing as 28. So our total profit is going to be 28 plus 24, which is 52. 52, not 62. So that's going to be your final answer, and so your final answer will be answer choice E.